Hi there, students. Incorrigible. An adjective. Incorrigibly. The adverb. Incorrigibility. I guess the noun. Okay, if you say that your friend is incorrigible, you're saying that they have defects that are impossible to change. They have defects that are never going to change. They are completely incorrigible. This is a little bit humorous as well. My friend CD is completely incorrigible. Okay, this word incorrigible, it means it's impossible to improve or to change some type of bad behavior. So he's an incorrigible liar. Yeah, whatever happens, he's not able to stop lying. He's an incorrigible rogue. Yeah, he's somebody who it's impossible to improve their behavior. You can punish them as much as you want. They are impervious to correction by punishment or pain. Incorrigible literally means impossible to correct. So the mistake that the builder has made is incorrigible. There's nothing you can do to correct it. Yeah, well, maybe the only way to correct it is to knock down the whole house and rebuild it. So incorrigible, impossible to reform. But normally we use incorrigible to talk about a person who cannot be reformed, cannot be corrected. An incorrigible criminal, incorrigible faults. It's impossible to eradicate these faults. An incorrigible, somebody who's difficult or impossible to control. An incorrigibly spoiled child. It can't be corrected. It can't be reformed. So incorrigible, impossible to correct. An incorrigible optimist. He's always an optimist, no matter how many bad things happen to him. He's an incorrigible flirt. He's always flirting with the girls, and no matter what happens, he always does it. He's an incorrigible chatterbox. He's always chattering. An incorrigible romantic. Yeah, an incorrigible optimist, an incorrigible liar, an incorrigible rogue, an incorrigible thief. Okay, you're saying it's beyond correction, beyond reform. Yeah, this is so firmly rooted that it's impossible to eradicate. Now, incorrigible actually has quite an interesting meaning in philosophy. If something is incorrigible, it's a philosophical statement which implies that it is true by virtue of the fact that you believe it. The fact that you believe it means it's true. So if you, it is necessary that you believe that this statement is true because you believe it. For example, I think, therefore I am. This is a statement that follows the law of incorrigibility. I've always wondered about this think, therefore I am. Do I think, or do I think I think? Yeah, or is that an illusion in itself? Well, cogito ergo sum. This is a proposition which is subject to incorrigibility. But incorrigible, impossible to correct. An incorrigible liar, an inveterate liar, habitual, confirmed, an incorrigible person. I always wonder about this, that certainly in Spain, the state has the obligation to reform criminals, to make them better people. But if the person is incorrigible, then the state has an impossible obligation. Okay, so something that's incorrigible, it's impossible to correct. Yeah? His wife is an incorrigible flirt. She's an incorrigible liar. Gamblers are incorrigible optimists. Okay, has an incorrigible fondness for gambling. Okay, you're incorrigible, Mr. Incorrigible. Yeah, you've got faults that are never going to change. Okay, so we all make mistakes, but very few mistakes are incorrigible. Yeah, an incorrigible flirt, an incorrigible liar. It's impossible to correct, impossible to change them. An incorrigible criminal. Okay, formality, incorrigible. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think it's on the formal side. I think you could probably use it anywhere. Incorrigible informally. I think just about, but it's certainly a little bit on the more formal side. I'm going to say use anywhere. And then as to origin, incorrigible. From Latin incorrigibilis, not to be corrected, in not, and corrigere, to correct. Ibilis, able, so not possible to correct, not able to correct. So I guess you're an incorrigible learner of the English language, aren't you? If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Incorrigible.